Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I hope everyone's having an amazing day. But I want to share with you guys a few pieces that I have on my table. I want to bring in some spring decor into my coffee bar. So let me share with you what I'm going to be using. Now over here in the back I have these 3 jars that are from, I believe I got these from TJ Maxx probably last year, that say Hip Hop Hooray. And then this bunny here I had from last year. And then these pour and scoop pieces here are another Rae Dunn piece that I have. And they have the pale yellow with the little black polka dots, and I think are really cute. And I think I'm going to use those on my 2-tier tray along with my little stands that came from the Dollar Spot over at Target. Then I have these little spring birds in blue and green, and this dish towel that says Live Simply. And then I'll be using my lavender and my green bunny. And then this jar here is another Rae Dunn piece that I put moss in there with a few Easter eggs. And then I have some flowers that I'll be incorporating into the 2-tier tray. So let's go ahead and see what I can come up with. I went ahead and removed everything off my coffee bar, but as you can see, I have my 2-tier tray that I will be decorating. And then I do have my Keurig along with my coffee cup that holds my K-cups. And then I am going to keep up my Rae Dunn mugs until I find some spring mugs that I like, and then I can replace them. And then I did take everything off the shelf. And then down here I purchased these at a yard sale for $2. They have little flowers on them. They're really cute, but it's hard to see with the lights on. So I think what I'll do is when I get everything decorated, I will turn off the lights. So let's go ahead and get started. Before I end my video, I want to give you an update on my weight loss. Now, so far I've lost 4.5 pounds, and it hasn't been quite 2 weeks yet. Now on Thursday it'll be 2 weeks, so I'll go ahead and weigh myself. But so far I've been sticking to my diet. I've been eating eggs in the morning for breakfast, and the one day I had a strip of turkey bacon. Now turkey bacon only has about 35 calories in it, so it's not that bad. And then the other days I've had grapefruit in the morning, and then at night my husband and my son went fishing the last 2 nights, and they caught mackerel and sheephead. So the one night my son cooked up the mackerel with the Old Bay seasoning, and he used some butter and garlic and a little sriracha sauce, and I must say that was super good. And then I discovered over at Publix, I went ahead and got a big spaghetti squash, and I cut it in half, and then you put it in the oven for 400 degrees face down on a cooking sheet, like I said, for 40 minutes. And when it's done, it comes out, you just take a fork and you scrape it, and it comes out like spaghetti. And it was so good that I'm going to try to incorporate more of that into my diet. I was thinking that I could probably even use that like pasta, and maybe throw some chicken on there, or shrimp or scallops, and then of course you can add your vegetables if you like. So I just need a variety of different foods to eat to keep me on my diet. So I can't wait till Thursday gets here. Hopefully I lose some more weight. So I wanted to give you guys a quick update on that. And I hope this motivates you to start eating healthier. But I want to go ahead and share with you what I've done to my coffee bar for spring. So here's my coffee bar all decorated for spring. Now over here in the corner is my 2-tier tray where I'm using my lavender with my little birds. And I have my dish towel that says Live Simply with my sugar and creamer. And then I added some yellow flowers. And then over here, I'm using the 3 jars that are Rae Dunn, that say Hip Hop Hooray, and I added some flowers. And then, like I said, these are those little flowers that light up. And I went ahead and turned them off so you can see what they look like. And then up here on my shelf, I am using my bunny with the big carrot. And then I have my Rae Dunn jar that is filled with moss and my Easter eggs. And then I have the sign that says Relax, Refresh, Renew. Now I'm hoping to replace my mugs here with some nice spring floral mugs. So I think that'll look real nice when I get those, and then I'll switch those out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now spring is right around the corner, and I'll see you in my next video. And until next time, happy decorating.